初级短语1000句，每天10分钟磨耳朵，一个月听懂英语。
Where is the supermarket?
Where is the supermarket?
超市在哪里？
Where is the supermarket?
Where is the supermarket?
I need a shopping cart.
I need a shopping cart.
我需要一辆购物车。
I need a shopping cart.
I need a shopping cart.
Can I get a basket?
Can I get a basket?
可以给我一个篮子吗？
Can I get a basket?
Can I get a basket?
Where can I find milk?
Where can I find milk?
牛奶在哪里？
Where can I find milk?
Where can I find milk?
Which aisle is the bread in?
Which aisle is the bread in?
面包在哪个通道？
Which aisle is the bread in?
Which aisle is the bread in?
Do you sell rice here?
Do you sell rice here?
你们这里有卖米吗？
Do you sell rice here?
Do you sell rice here?
I'm looking for fresh fruit.
I'm looking for fresh fruit.
我在找新鲜水果。
I'm looking for fresh fruit.
I'm looking for fresh fruit.
Where is the frozen food section?
Where is the frozen food section?
冷冻食品区在哪里？
Where is the frozen food section?
Where is the frozen food section?
How much is this apple?
How much is this apple?
这个苹果多少钱？
How much is this apple?
How much is this apple?
Are these bananas on sale?
Are these bananas on sale?
这些香蕉在打折吗？
Are these bananas on sale?
Are these bananas on sale?
Can I try this cheese?
Can I try this cheese?
我可以尝尝这个奶酪吗？
Can I try this cheese?
Can I try this cheese?
Do you have any organic food?
Do you have any organic food?
你们有有机食品吗？
Do you have any organic food?
Do you have any organic food?
I need a bottle of water.
I need a bottle of water.
我需要一瓶水。
I need a bottle of water.
I need a bottle of water.
I'm looking for some snacks.
I'm looking for some snacks.
我在找一些零食。
I'm looking for some snacks.
I'm looking for some snacks.
Where can I find eggs?
Where can I find eggs?
鸡蛋在哪里？
Where can I find eggs?
Where can I find eggs?
Is this product gluten-free?
Is this product gluten-free?
这个产品是无麸质的吗？
Is this product gluten-free?
Is this product gluten-free?
Do you have soy milk?
Do you have soy milk?
你们有豆浆吗？
Do you have soy milk?
Do you have soy milk?
How much is 1 kilogram of beef?
How much is 1 kilogram of beef?
1公斤牛肉多少钱？
How much is 1 kilogram of beef?
How much is 1 kilogram of beef?
Where is the seafood section?
Where is the seafood section?
海鲜区在哪里？
Where is the seafood section?
Where is the seafood section?
I'd like half a kilogram of chicken.
I'd like half a kilogram of chicken.
我想要半公斤鸡肉。
I'd like half a kilogram of chicken.
I'd like half a kilogram of chicken.
Can I pay by card?
Can I pay by card?
可以用卡支付吗？
Can I pay by card?
Can I pay by card?
Do you take cash?
Do you take cash?
你们收现金吗？
Do you take cash?
Do you take cash?
Where is the checkout counter?
Where is the checkout counter?
收银台在哪里？
Where is the checkout counter?
Where is the checkout counter?
Is there a self-checkout?
Is there a self-checkout?
有自助结账吗？
Is there a self-checkout?
Is there a self-checkout?
Can I use this coupon?
Can I use this coupon?
可以用这张优惠券吗？
Can I use this coupon?
Can I use this coupon?
Is there a discount on this item?
Is there a discount on this item?
这个商品有折扣吗？
Is there a discount on this item?
Is there a discount on this item?
Do you have a membership card?
Do you have a membership card?
你们有会员卡吗？
Do you have a membership card?
Do you have a membership card?
Would you like a bag?
Would you like a bag?
您需要一个袋子吗？
Would you like a bag?
Would you like a bag?
I don't need a bag, thank you.
I don't need a bag, thank you.
我不需要袋子，谢谢。
I don't need a bag, thank you.
I don't need a bag, thank you.
Can you double bag this?
Can you double bag this?
可以套2个袋子吗？
Can you double bag this?
Can you double bag this?
Please weigh these vegetables.
Please weigh these vegetables.
请称一下这些蔬菜。
Please weigh these vegetables.
Please weigh these vegetables.
Can I return this item?
Can I return this item?
可以退这件商品吗？
Can I return this item?
Can I return this item?
I'd like a receipt, please.
I'd like a receipt, please.
请给我一张收据。
I'd like a receipt, please.
I'd like a receipt, please.
The total is too high.
The total is too high.
总价太高了。
The total is too high.
The total is too high.
Do you sell gift cards?
Do you sell gift cards?
你们卖礼品卡吗？
Do you sell gift cards?
Do you sell gift cards?
Can I pay with my phone?
Can I pay with my phone?
可以用手机支付吗？
Can I pay with my phone?
Can I pay with my phone?
Is this line open?
Is this line open?
这个通道开放吗？
Is this line open?
Is this line open?
Excuse me, I was here first.
Excuse me, I was here first.
不好意思，我先来的。
Excuse me, I was here first.
Excuse me, I was here first.
Thank you for your help.
Thank you for your help.
谢谢你的帮助。
Thank you for your help.
Thank you for your help.
Have a nice day.
Have a nice day.
祝你今天愉快。
Have a nice day.
Have a nice day.
如果你对学习英语感兴趣，别忘了点赞、转发、订阅我们的频道，并打开小铃铛接收最新更新。